Potential tropical cyclone 22 developing in the Central Caribbean here today. National Hurricane Center suggesting that this could become a tropical storm by tomorrow as it slides a little closer to Jamaica. The latest track on this, again, has it drifting over Jamaica, southern portions of Cuba, pretty close to Haiti, and eventually over the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos through Saturday. So along this path, we're expecting some very heavy rainfall, maybe even exceeding a foot in some spots. And if that's the case, flooding and mudslides would be really a big concern within some of these areas. So pretty interesting that we're dealing with a tropical system this late in the season. Now, the Atlantic hurricane season doesn't officially end until November 30th. So for tonight, we're going to have some dry conditions with patchy fog developing. Into the weekend we go with a couple of showers on Friday. We dry out and then it trends cooler into this upcoming weekend. And we're watching a storm system develop early next week with showers and thunderstorms on Monday and Tuesday. And we're going to have to watch that pretty closely because there is a chance for maybe some severe weather on Monday night with some cooler conditions to follow into Thanksgiving Day, Thursday next week. So here's our forecast tonight. Very mild temperatures, cloudy with fog developing in the morning. We'll wake up to the mid-50s, about 10 to 15 degrees above average. And then our daytime high of 71 is not too far above the average, which is 68. But again, Friday, a couple of very light showers. We dry out into the weekend with those temperatures hovering around that near average mark. But here is the first push of cooler air for the lower 48. Out ahead of it, widespread showers and storms over the northeastern United States. We'll be on the tail end of that here close to home. But then early next week, a completely new system develops, and this is going to be pushing in for Monday and Tuesday with some showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be strong to severe. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center already highlighting an area in yellow that has the best chance of severe weather for Monday. We're going to have to watch that close, as I mentioned. In the meantime, behind that system, much cooler air settling on in for Thanksgiving Day, and from the 22nd to the 26th, pretty good indication there of below normal temps. So for Friday, again, the clouds start to thicken up. It does look like we may have a couple of very light showers on the tail end of this frontal boundary as it slides on through. Again, we'll be lucky to really even see any accumulate, maybe a few 100ths of an inch if we're lucky. So temperatures tomorrow morning, again, on a very mild start into the mid-50s. Could see a little bit of light rain, but better chance of that into the afternoon. Those winds will be trending a little more out of the northwest later on in the day. And temperatures, again, in the lower 70s for daytime highs. A little bit above average. We start to cool down this weekend, back to near average. Bigger storm system Monday to Tuesday. Some of the storms could be strong to severe. And look at how chilly it gets for the second half of next week.